Hello, welcome to VBS. We are on day one where we are talking about building on a foundation of love. And we know that Jesus is our strong foundation. Another thing that we refer to Jesus is our cornerstone. And I don't know if you recognized in the song, our theme song for this VBS, is that it's talking about building on Christ, our cornerstone. And I just think that's really neat. Well, it's our first day, so you're probably wondering, like, what are we doing and what is all this stuff in our bag? First, I wanted you to know that you have your very own hard hat. Just like the song says, grab your hard hats and hammers. Now, you can write, especially if there are more than one of you at your house, you can write your name on your hat. So I'm just going to write my name on it. Now, if you use a marker, you're going to want to let it dry before you start to smear it with your finger, okay? Because if you do it right away, it will smear. So you can do that. You can also, you have some stickers in your bag. If you want, you can put the stickers on your hard hat, but the stickers are for something else as well. All right, well, good safety says that I should put on my hard hat. So there we go. Now your first craft, because today is Monday, day one, we're building on our foundation of love, is we have a craft bag for you. So you're going to pull out your bag. You're going to pull out, there are some stickers in the bag. Obviously, we have some markers, some crayons, whatever you have at home. All right, so we know that Jesus chose to love us. So that's what we're going to write on the bag, okay? So you're going to write, Jesus loves, and then you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write Susan, but you're going to write your name. So it will look like this. And again, you can use crayons or markers, whatever colors you want. So now that looks pretty plain. It looks good, but it still looks pretty plain. So now we're going to jazz it up with our stickers. So the really cool thing about these stickers is they are self-adhesive. So go ahead and remove the back if you need help from an older sibling or a parent or grandparent. And you can just put those anywhere you want on your bag. Okay? Hey, look, I got a hard hat just like on my head. And you'll notice they're all construction themed stickers, and they have some special messages. This one says under construction because we know our theme verse. Remember, we're working on memorizing it today. That I am sure of this, that he who started a good work in me will carry it on to completion until the day of Jesus Christ. So I am under construction, and I know that Jesus loves me.